Hello everybody, welcome to Ignite Physics by Aaron video channel. In the third round, today we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Kinematics. This is question number 15 from this chapter. What is the question, sir? The question is, a vehicle travels half the distance with the speed v. And the remaining distance, it means what? Another half, is it not? Another remaining distance with the speed 2v. So speed is becomes 2 times. Its average speed is how much? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. As usual, you are given 4 options. Number 1, 2v by 3, then 4v by 3, and 3v by 4, and v by 3. These are all the 4 options. So the formula for average speed, V average is, it's not the, you cannot just add the two speeds and multiply, divided by 2. So the formula is the total distance divided by total time. V average is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So V average is equal to S by T. What is S? Total distance. It is divided into 2 parts. One is S by 2, another S by 2. Totally it is S. So this half is S by 2, another one is S by 2. Okay, that's all. So this is equal to S divided by total time T. What is total time T? So for the first segment, T1 is the time taken for the first segment. So that is equal to time taken is given by distance by velocity. We know that velocity or speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed or distance by velocity. So in that sense, T1, time taken for the first segment, S1 by V1. What is S1? S by 2. So S by 2. What is V1? The speed is V. So S by 2 divided by V, that is equal to S by 2V. That's all. Since V1 is equal to V. T2, time taken for the first segment, S2 by V2. What is S2? Once again it is also S by 2. S by 2 divided by 2V. That is equal to S by 4V. Since V2 is equal to 2V. That you know very well. So the total distance S is equal to S1 plus S2. As shown in the figure. S is equal to S1 plus S2. What is total time? T is equal to T1 plus T2. What is the value of T1? S by 2V. What is the value of T2? S by 4V. So I can proceed as follows. T is equal to T1 plus T2 is equal to S by 2V plus S by 4V. So here you can take S by V as a common factor. S by V into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4? 3 by 4. So it is equal to S by V into 3 by 4. That is equal to 3S divided by 4V. So substituting the values in the equation for V average. What is V average? Total distance S divided by total time T. So S divided by, what is total time? 3S by 4. S divided by 3S by 4V. So this S and this S will get cancelled. This 4V will go to the numerator. So it is equal to 4V by 3. So the average speed is 4V by 3. Option 2 is the right answer for this question. So the point you have to remember is the average velocity, average speed cannot be found by adding the two speeds and divided by 2, but it should be found by the formula total distance divided by total time. That is the principle behind this one question. Okay, so we'll see one more question from the same chapter kinematics in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.